Good morning. It's moving day for this outfit and for the job trailer. We have been off of work far too long. It's been an entire week since the last time we stepped foot in the field, so let's get this party started. After a week of being away from doing anything, it's like starting all over again. Maybe a little bit more difficult than the first time because the excitement of being on the road and on the go is over already. So now it's just trying to get back in work mode after lots of sitting, a few naps, boredom, and several hair bands made later. Here we go. Still no babies. She is mad at me. Well, second and last final goodbye to Sharon, Kansas. They treated us well. We got the service truck loaded and it's ready to go. Now the next thing that we need to do is get this trailer house ready, which means taking everything off of the walls and getting it pretty much on the floor so that it doesn't fall when we move. So when I talk about everything on the walls, pictures, stuff that's on the counter, on the dresser right there, that all needs to be taken off. Everything that I try to put out here that looks like somewhat of a homey feel all needs to be taken down so that the slide outs can be moved in and it's road ready. So all of that needs to be taken down. Jim's having a piece of toast. Okay, she's road ready. Stuff's on the bed. Things are locked in place. Doors are shut that should be shut. Doors are open that should be open. This is what it looks like before the next step of bringing this slide and this slide and this slide in. Just show you the mess back here in my sewing room. Now it looks like that. Everything's on the floor, ready for the road. Now it just looks like a regular old trailer house. Roll. Well, here's our new home until we get done at Chase. Someone asked me on our YouTube channel what I do with the flowers when I move them. So this is 3 of the pots. They just ride here in the entrance of the trailer. And while I'm here, see, this is what it looks like with the slides in. Not much living space at all. And then this is the slide for the bedroom. And then this is where the rest of my flowers ride. Chase elevator. So I imagine that Frank and I will be hanging out here quite often, since the mud situation will no doubt take me out of the combine. So we got the trailer house set up, and now we're headed out to the farm to get the equipment put together and get ready to cut some wheat. Whether or not we cut anything today, I honestly don't know, but we'll see what happens. Got a new flag for the top of the beast. Nice. Nice, bright, clean, red, white, and blue. Had to remove the dolly so that we could hook Pete up to the grain trailer. The dolly's only used for the grain trailer hooked up to the combine trailer. Now we're hooking up the grain trailer to the Pete. Checking oil. That one didn't blow off. All these parts and pieces that have to be put in place before we can actually get started. Sometimes it just seems like forever. Next thing we're going to do is put the header on the combine. So the header trailer needed to be moved, turned around in the right direction to get the combine in the right spot. And we're cutting weed again. How about that? That nice new flag looks pretty spiffy up there. So it was a week ago today that we finished, and we didn't cut a lick until today. It was a big day.
The reason we haven't cut is because there's been about 5 inches of rain up here in the last week.
And more tomorrow? Is that what we're supposed to be happening?
Probably.
But I don't see any terraces. First load of wheat for us to the Chase elevator. One of several yet, I'm sure. Working with the farmer, and the farmer has a green cart, so this will keep me hopping. Watch the box and hoist go up with the shadow. Maybe. They might be done.